In this video, I will show you how to enable hype on YouTube videos. For that, first of all, you'll have to understand the few requirements that is needed for YouTube hype. For that, your channel must have 500 to 500,000 subscribers. Then second condition is you must be accepted into YouTube Partner Program YPP. And then the third condition is viewers can only have videos uploaded within the last 7 days. And the last thing is the feature must be available in your country. So for this, you can simply open up YouTube Studio app, or you can simply open up Chrome and go into YouTube Studio webpage. For now, I'm going into the app. From here, make sure your channel is logged into it. After that, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, click on Settings. Now, if you meet all of those conditions as I mentioned before, here you will find an option called Advanced Settings. Simply click on it. From there, you will have to simply scroll until you find Hype. Simply click on it. After that, check the box to enable that feature and then click on Save. And that's it. That is how you can enable hype on YouTube videos. And if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.